Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool item right here, and basically what this is a replacement light that's used for a high beam light. And you can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for the one that we got right here is called a SilverStar Ultra, that's under 9005. And if you guys can see for the one that we got right here, it is a 2-pack. They do have this available in a single pack as well. So depending if you guys want 1 or 2, that is totally up to you guys. But it is recommended for you to get 2 of them. So that way you can place both of them at the same time. And the lifespan for both of them will be around the same. But I'm seeing this side they do probably some specs and features that's on the product. And see how there's different versions available when you guys do purchase it. There's like the most basic and the most brightest one, which is what we do have right here. And the way how you replace it is actually pretty easy. You basically want to insert this into your high beam light. And see how they do have a little slot for you to plug it in. The only hard part is figuring out how to put your hand inside when you guys do replace it. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now I'm just going to set this up to show you guys what the product looks like, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. So here is basically what the light looks like once you guys do put a new light bulb. You can see the light bulb inside right there. Same thing for this side. You can see the coverage it gives you when you guys do use it. It's literally so bright. Welcome back guys. So now I quick test the product and definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So I couldn't show you guys the process of setting it up because it's really hard for me to film the inside since it's so dark. But you can see once we replace the light, it actually makes a big difference. The new light that we installed is so much more brighter if you can see. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for the product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for some high quality replacement lights that you can use for a high beam light for your car. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.